Hi Buckeyes, I'm meteorologist John Banghoff here with your Buckeye TV winter weather forecast. As we take a look outside this morning, current temperature 21 degrees. It is brisk and quite chilly. As I was riding my bike over to the studio this morning, my face was not the most comfortable by any means. 1 to 2 inches of snow cover on the ground and on the roads as well. Campus has done a pretty good job of clearing off those roads, but it is a little bit slippery out there. Going to want to grab the boots. Winds out of the west at 9 miles an hour, making it feel quite a bit chillier. Our Buckeye TV radar shows the snow that moved through early this morning, starting about 12:30 and continuing through 7 or 8 o'clock this morning. I want to point out this line between the rain and the snow. That is typical of these winter systems. And looking at our Buckeye TV surface map, it's all about the location of this low pressure system. Where the low pressure center is depends on where the line between rain and snow is going to be. Over the course of the past couple systems, we've been to the north of that rain-snow line, so we've had all snow. But if we're just a little bit farther to the south, we will be in that line of rain, snow, freezing rain, or sleet, where things can get quite messy. And if we're even farther south, we are in the warm sector, so we get rain. Looking at our current temperatures, you can see the cooler temperatures across much of the United States with this cold front that's passing through and another cold front passing through northern Minnesota. You can see the low temperature for our current temperatures across the country, minus 22 degrees in Minnesota, and down here in Key West, 79 degrees. So quite a contrast. Wouldn't it be nice to be in Florida right now? Forecast for today, eventual high temperature 27 degrees. I do expect a few passing clouds. Sunny skies dominate at this point, but with some more clouds as we head through the afternoon. Winds out of the west at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, going to continue to make it feel much, much cooler. No more snow in the forecast for today, though. Heading into the afternoon, it looks like our real field temperatures are going to stay in the teens for much of our area, but farther off to the north, and get a nice gradient here. Below zero here in parts of Wisconsin and Minnesota. Heading farther north, minus 20 degrees across the entire day for that area in northern Minnesota. Not the best weather for sure. Heading into this evening, we drop down quite chilly here, 12 degrees. Wind chills by tomorrow morning. I do expect to crouch below zero with the strong winds, with the clear skies, and with no sunshine yet in the morning. I do expect temperatures to be quite chilly, so if you're heading out tomorrow morning, make sure you bundle up. Forecast for your day on Wednesday, 28 degrees, the eventual high. It is going to be mostly cloudy and chilly. Heading out to finals tomorrow morning. Nate, my roommate, heading out about 11:30. I expect the temperature to be about 25 degrees or so with some winds. Definitely going to want to bundle up. Anyone who has finals tomorrow, it's going to be a very chilly one. Tomorrow night, the lowest temperature on our forecast, 10 degrees, the eventual low. There is a slight chance of snow as that Arctic front moves through our area. It's going to be bitter cold, though. Maybe you're heading out to Wild Lights to celebrate the end of finals week. Enjoy it, but make sure you buy some hot chocolate. For the day on Thursdays, you're packing up and heading home. Cold, high temperature, 19 degrees. That Arctic air is going to be settling in. Through here, winds out of the west-southwest about 8 to 10 miles an hour. Wind chills again in the single digits. Going to be a very chilly day on Thursday. Heading into the weekend, I do expect another system to move through on Saturday, bringing a chance for some snow or some rain depending on where we are in relation to that low pressure system. What I want to delve into now, though, is your winter weather forecast. Your 6 to 10 day outlook as provided by the Climate Prediction Center. This is for next week. Our temperature is expected to be above normal. There's a better chance for being below normal, I should say, and above normal there for the desert southwest. Precipitation, if anything, we're going to be slightly below normal here in Ohio. Heading into the week before Christmas, temperatures pretty much equal chance for above normal or below normal, but if anything, will be slightly below normal as that cold air pushes into Michigan, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. For precipitation, again, we're right on that dividing line between equal chance of above normal or below normal, but it does look like we may be slightly above normal for precipitation leading into Christmas. Putting all this together, I do believe we will have a white Christmas. We're going to be slightly warmer this week. We'll have temperatures reaching above freezing, so I do believe most of the snow will melt, but heading into next week and the week after that as we head into the Christmas with temperatures below normal and slightly above average precipitation, any snow we get, I do believe, will stick. So it will be a white Christmas for us, which is some good news. Our next big forecast day is in Miami, Florida on January 3rd as Ohio State plays in Miami against the Clemson Tigers. Looks like the forecast at this point is not going to be easy to predict. Being a little less than a month out, it's very difficult to predict the exact conditions, but average weather conditions for January in Miami, Florida, 76 degrees the average high, 60 degrees the average low. Can't really make a call on precipitation, whether it be sunny or not, but all in all, I do know it is going to be much warmer. So if you have the opportunity to go down there, pack the short sleeves, pack the shorts, pack the bathing suits. It's going to be a warm one. I'm meteorologist John Banghoff. This has been your winter weather forecast. Have a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and we'll see you back here in January.